Hello, I am Tina Brigittini, and welcome to the Master Intuitive channel. I wanted to create this video because many people are drawn to meditation, sound, intuitive practices, and typically during emotionally tender times. And yet they don't always know how to engage with these practices in a way that feels safe and supportive. And if you've ever tried meditation or sound experience and felt overwhelmed, restless, or emotionally stirred up, this video is for you. So today I want to talk about how to use meditation and sound practices safely when you're emotionally sensitive, and how to listen to your own signals with respect. And first, I want to say something clearly. Being emotionally sensitive does not mean that you're doing something wrong. Sensitivity often means that your system is more aware, more responsive to the stimulation, emotion, and environment. And the practices like meditation and sound that can amplify awareness, which can be supportive for some people and overwhelming for others. Just depends on the timing and the context. And that's why there's no one size fits all approach. What matters most is how your body responds, not how a practice is supposed to work. So, here are some common signs that a practice might be too much in the moment, including it may include feelings of agitation, feeling disconnected, emotionally flooded, physically uncomfortable, and you might notice that your thoughts are racing, your breath might be becoming shallow, or there's a sense of just wanting to escape the experience. And these are all pretty normal. They're not failures. They're signals, and they are important. And listening to these cues and responding with care is part of using these practices responsibly. So, if you are emotionally sensitive, there are gentle ways to approach meditation and sound. And you might choose shorter sessions. You might keep your eyes open or just sit upright rather than lying down. You might focus more on external sensations like the feeling of your feet on the floor rather than going inward. And you always have permission to stop. There's no benefit in pushing through discomfort. It's also important to understand that meditation and sound practices are not a replacement for professional support, especially during times of intense emotional distress. These practices can be a gentle complement, but they're not meant to carry everything on their own. And seeking out support when you need it is not a weakness, it's an inner wisdom. See, the most supportive practice is the one that honors your nervous system, your timing, your capacity. You don't need to force calm or chase insight. It's moving slowly, staying curious, and trusting your body's signals are powerful forms of awareness. And my hope is that this channel is to offer education and support, not pressure or expectation. I'm truly grateful for you being here and choosing to listen to yourself. Many blessings on your journey. Tina Brigittini here.